the honorable members of the House of Representatives, the NKTI Executive Director, Dr. Rosemary Rosete Liquete, the National Kidney Foundation of the Philippines, First President, our good family friend, Dr. Claver P. Ramos, officials and staff of the National Kidney Transplant Institute, fellow workers in government, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is a great day that we celebrate here today, and I greet our administrators, officials, health professionals, staff, patients, and partners of the National Kidney and Transplant Institute. A happy and meaningful 40th anniversary. Providing adequate and responsive healthcare services is vital to our collective goal of realizing a strong, robust, and globally competitive citizenry. That was what my father, President Ferdinand E. Marcos, envisioned when he created the National Kidney Foundation of the Philippines, which began operations in 1983 and has since grown into a world-class specialized institution that is at the forefront of our battle against kidney disease. He and his administration saw the importance of building an institution that is dedicated to renal health care and management, as well as the necessity of having a lead center for renal care and organ transplantation. Now, we are reaping the fruits of their foresight and investments in our fight to uplift the conditions of Filipinos with kidney-related diseases. Let me therefore say that I am proud to have been witness to the NKTI's birth and its development. From its humble beginnings as a 2-ward, 50-bed facility, the NKTI has now grown into a 5-building complex with 383 beds, providing round-the-clock emergency services and state-of-the-art medical care. It's also very gratifying to see that the NKTI has become a center of innovation and excellence in various diagnostic and therapeutic procedures, complemented with world-class facilities and competent and hardworking personnel who sacrifice much to serve many Filipinos. And proof of that sacrifice and hard work are the many awards that this institution has garnered through the years, and the distinction of having one of the region's most experienced surgical transplant teams and the nation's top transplant program. But more than the awards and accolades that you receive, the best fruits of your hard work and labor remain to be the patients that you have served throughout the years. Since its inception in 1983, almost 400,000 patients have been given quality renal care, including transplants, dialysis, and treatment sessions, thanks to the men and women of NKTI. With the NKTI's numerous achievements, your institution stays true to its core mission of providing readily accessible medical assistance to meet the demands of our people. Your sustained excellence and compassion have also inspired hospitals and facilities around the country to follow your lead. With many deaths attributed to kidney disease in our country, it is imperative that we ensure that dialysis treatment will be readily available, accessible, and cost-effective for our fellow Filipinos. The ultimate goal is to lower the deaths and disabilities associated with kidney disease and kidney failure, especially for those who are not able to access dialysis treatment due to the high costs. It's why I am very happy to see that your institution has always adhered to the highest standards of quality patient care by providing affordable and timely diagnosis, prevention, treatment, and rehabilitation to your patients. I ask your institution to continue being catalyst for universal health care by innovative solutions that decrease our country's mortality rate in kidney diseases. Let me also take this time to convey my gratitude to our hardworking doctors, nurses, and the personnel of the NKTI for your dedication, your competence, your expertise in providing quality renal care and alleviating the suffering of Filipinos with kidney disease. I also want to thank you for sharing the best practices, research developments, and training provided to various healthcare professionals and individuals all over the country. For all these reasons, we owe you a debt that cannot be repaid, and we will see to it that your institution gets all the help that is necessary for its advancement and its progress. I think that I cannot finish without adding to that the thanks of so many Filipinos whose lives you saved during the pandemic. NKTI served as a central focus for our pandemic response, and the sacrifices that were made by the men and women of NKTI have not gone unnoticed by a grateful nation. Thank you. So we are committed to supporting the NKTI in all these noble endeavors. And together, I am confident that we can rise to the challenge of fighting kidney and renal disease so that our people can live better, live longer lives. Let us work to build a stronger and healthier future for this and for future Filipino generations. Once again, congratulations to the NKTI, to the men and women who have been the heart and soul of this institution. I wish you continued success in your endeavors for the nation and the Filipino people. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang NKTI. Happy birthday, NKTI. At magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Mr. President. Now let us give the President a round of applause. And at this point, may we request the President to kindly grant us a photo opportunity in 4 batches. So we'd like to request our first batch, our Execom, to please come up the stage. Batch 2, our NKTI leaders in medical services and training, please prepare. Thank you very much. Now let's go to our batch 2, NKTI leaders in medical services and training. Batch 3, please prepare our NKTI leaders in hospital support services and nursing services. Thank you very much. Batch 3 may now come up the stage. Okay, batch 4, please prepare our 40-year service awardees. Thank you very much. Now let's have batch 4. Our 40-year service awardees. All right, please prepare our final batch for our photo op, our DOH Undersecretary officials. Thank you very much, our 40-year service awardees. And our final batch for the photo op is our key officials from the DOH. Thank you very much to our DOH officials, and thank you very much, Mr. President, for gracing the 40th founding anniversary of the NKTI. We are honored to have you at this esteemed institute for this special occasion. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.,